Never underestimate the power of a good lash, and today I'm going to show you how these Amrij lashes can literally transform your look from day to night. Even if you're going to an office event or you're going to a wedding, these 6 lash styles are really a game changer. Here you can see the beautiful Varisha does not have any eyelashes on. I mean, she still looks beautiful, but we're going to try on each lash style and see which one elevates her look even more. I have 2 favorite lash styles from Amrij, and you guys know I actually don't go anywhere without lashes on. I feel literally incomplete. So first of all, we will try the style Suspicious. Now this is a rather heavy eyelash style. It's very high quality and I actually use it on my brides. So let's see if this suits Varisha's eyes. Okay, now we're going to see if this looks good. There's no glue on, it's just iski apni glue. Okay, so you can see this is a dramatic style and it's really making this whole look pop. Definitely this is your go-to style if you want to go to a wedding, if it's your own wedding. Wow, I love this, it looks stunning. Next up we have the style Crafty. This is a beautiful fluffy lash जिसके corners are longer. So let's see how this looks. So you can see it's giving her a more rounded eye look. So this style is giving her more of a doe-eyed effect. If you have smaller eyes, these would look big on you, but on Varisha, look up Varisha, these are the perfect size. Next up, we have the style Splash. Now you can see this is long and this is feathery. For someone like Varisha with big eyes, she can wear it to almost any event if she wants a bold look or if she wants a softer look. If I was Varisha's makeup artist, I would use these for a softer look, but of course, if you have small eyes, this would be a full glam lash on you. Look up Varisha. So you can see कि इनकी कितने मजे की look है. Look on the side. They are long and beautiful. So Varisha can even pull off these lashes even if she's not wearing anything on the eyes, just a little liner in these lashes, and she's good to go for an event. So for any lash, what you want to do is hold it from the inner corner and then take it off like this. Be very gentle. आप अपनी lash ना इसके साथ pull कर लें. आप lash का corner पकड़ें and then take it off like this. Next up, we have Blink. Now this is a wispy C-shaped design, meaning कि इसके corner लंबा है. But overall, इसकी volume बहुत अच्छी है. It's one of my favorite lash styles. I generally use it on my nikah brides because I feel it adds the right amount of volume and length. I absolutely love it and I'm sure it's going to look great on Varisha as well. So this is one of those lash styles that is so versatile. आप इसको किसी event पे full glam के लिए भी use कर सकते हो. आप इसको एक soft look के लिए भी use कर सकते हो. It actually depends on the sort of eyes you have. If you have very big eyes, of course, they'll look more natural on you. If you have smaller eyes, then they will look full glam on you. I actually love these lashes for hooded eyes as well. Next up, we have Allure. Now this is a rather lightweight style जो आपके corners of the eye पे definition ज़्यादा add करेगा. If you're younger, this will suit you. If you're older and you're not looking for full glam, this is the sort of lash style that you can opt for. And just like the other lashes, this is of course premium quality as well. Very well made. The hair in this one, top notch. So you can see कि ये corners पे volume ज़्यादा add करिए. This is perfect for people who have smaller eyes, यानी width में उनकी eyes अगर कम होंगी तो इसकी length ऐसी है कि आपकी छोटी आंखों के लिए this is perfect. Look up now. Last but not the least, we have the style pretty. Now, as you can see, इसके कुछ strands लंबे हैं, कुछ छोटे हैं, and this is a very beautiful lightweight style. अगर आपको heavy lash पसंद नहीं है, I can assure you this is the style that you will like. You can use this if you want to create softer looks, but also अगर आपने eye makeup heavy कर लिया है, but आपको lashes थोड़ी सी lightweight रखनी है for a more comfortable look, go for these. You can see it's wispy, beautiful and long. Of course, if you have smaller eyes, they may not be ideal, but if you have big eyes, these are ideal. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial, and now you can finally pick out the right lash for your eyes for any event at any time. Let me know if you are eyeing any of these lash styles, and I'll see you in the next video. You can purchase all these products at amrij.pk or any big retailer in Pakistan.